Hello everyone. In this class, we will discuss the next important topic for your competitive exam, which is nothing but successive percentage change. So we'll solve this question on this topic with a short trick. So look at the trick. So whenever the question will come on the percentage, for example, one quantity is increased by some percent and then it decreased by some percent, then in that case we'll apply the formula that quantity A plus B plus multiplication of that two quantity divided by 100. Okay, that means a plus b plus a into b upon 100. So this is the formula, nothing else. A plus b plus a multiplied by b upon 100. So when we have to apply this formula and when we have to take plus and minus sign, so suppose in the question something is increasing or profit is there, okay, or then markup is there, in that case we will take that value as positive. And suppose the value is decreasing or discount is given or some loss is there, in that case we'll assume to that value is negative. Okay, so when we can apply this short trick formula, only when exactly two successive percentage changes are given. Okay, otherwise consecutive price hike or discounts are given, or area of 2D geometry or pollution shifts are given. Okay, so whenever like this two exactly successive percentage changes are there, we can use this trick. So let's start with the question. The first question is the price of a laptop is first increased by 20%. Okay, so increased, that means it is plus 20, and later decreased by 10%. So decrease means minus 10. So what is the net percent change? So in the starting it is increased, so plus 20, after that decrease, so minus 10. So we will apply the formula. So plus 20, after that plus minus 10, then plus the multiplication of both the value multiply by, divided by 100. So 20 minus 10. So addition is nothing but 10. After that plus the multiplication. So if you multiply 20 into minus 10, it become minus 200. Okay. So minus 200 upon nothing but 100. So this 100 2s are 200. So 10 minus 2, which is nothing but 8%. So the net percentage change is nothing but 8%. Okay. Look at the next question. A shopkeeper offers two successive discount. So discount means minus, and how many discount? Two successive of 20% and 5%. That means minus 20 and minus 5. On the leather jacket, find the single equivalent discount. Okay, so both the discount are 20% and 5%, both are discount, so we have to take minus 20 and minus 5. So first of all we will add these values. So addition is minus 20 minus 5, which is nothing but minus 25. After that multiplication, so if you multiply minus 20 multiply by minus 5, so minus minus plus 25 is a 100. Okay, so then minus 25 plus multiplication is 100, and we have to divide by 100 with the second value. So 100 upon 100, which is 1. So minus 25 plus 1, which is nothing but minus 24%. Okay, so according to formula, this is a plus b plus a multiplied by b upon 100. Okay, so we are getting minus 24%, that is a total discount. Look at the next question. Length of rectangular playground is increased by 15%, so this is plus, and width by 10%, so this is also increased, plus 10. So both value are positive. By what percent does the area increases? Okay. So both length and width are increasing, so area is also increased, but how much percent, that we have to find out. So number is 15, second is 10, so both are positive, so 15 plus 10 plus 15 multiplied by 10 upon 100. So 15 plus 10, which is 25, plus here 1 0 and 0 get cancelled, and 15 upon 10, which is 1.5. So 25 plus 1.5, which is 26.5. So total area increased by 26.5%. So correct answer is B in this question. Look at the next question. If the radius of a circular plate is decreased by 20%, what is the net percent decrease in this area? Okay, so radius is decreasing. So if we know that the formula of area of a circle is nothing but pi r square. Okay, so here r square is there, that means r multiplied by r. So radius is decreasing twice, and it is decreasing, so minus. So in this case a is also minus 20, b is also minus 20. So if you apply the formula, minus 20 minus 20, then plus the multiplication of both the number. So minus 20 multiplied by minus 20 divided by 100. So minus 20 which is minus 40, plus here multiplication, so in the multiplication minus minus plus, and 20 into 20 which is nothing but 400 upon 100. So this 0 will get cancelled, so minus 40 plus 4 which is nothing but minus 36. So the area is decreased by 36%. Minus sign shows it is decreasing. Look at the next question. Hourly wages is increased by 25%, but the hour work per week is reduced by 25%. Okay, so here it is increasing, so plus 25, and here it is decreasing, so minus 25. So whenever one quantity is increasing, other quantity is decreasing, and both the value are same, in that case, okay, if we apply the formula, so starting plus 25 and after that minus 25, so that will get 0. After that plus, we have to multiply both the value. So minus 25 multiply by plus 25. So it is multiplication upon 100. Okay. So whenever both the number are same and one is increased, other is decreased, in that case, we will always get the net loss. Okay. So the formula, we have the formula a plus b plus a multiplied by b upon 100. Okay. But one is positive, one is negative, so this quantity will addition is 0. So only this quantity will remain, the multiplication upon 100, and both the quantities same. Okay, so we'll get minus of a square divided by 100. Minus sign because one quantity is positive, one is negative. Okay, so here one is minus 25 into one is plus 25 upon 100. So 25 4 is 100. So 25 upon 4, if we cancel out that, we'll get minus 6.25%. Look at the next problem. The question is ticket prices shot up by 30%. Okay, so it is plus increased, and daily footfall drop by 20%. So this is decreasing, so minus 20. So net impact on the daily revenue is, okay. So to make the revenue to be equal, how much we have to increase that sell ticket. So this number is positive, so plus 30. Second number is negative, so minus 20. Then plus multiplication, so 30 multiplied by minus 20 upon 100. Okay, so 30 minus 20 which is 10, plus, so if we multiply positive into negative, it become minus 30 into 20 which is 600 upon 100. So the 0 will get cancelled, so 10 plus minus minus 6 which is nothing but 4%. That means the result is positive, so 4% increase. So the correct answer is 4% increase in the revenue. Look at the next one. Population increased by 10% in first year and 20% in the second year. So in both the cases it is increased, so plus 10 plus 20. So we'll apply the formula plus 10 plus 20. After that plus the multiplication, so 20 into 20 upon 100. So here this 0 will get cancelled. 10 plus 20 which is 30, plus 1 to the 2. So total answer is 32%, and it is positive, so 32% increased. So the correct answer is B here. So this is the formula that we have used. If one is increasing, other is decreasing, then in that case positive, then minus negative, and then multiplication, because one is positive, one is negative, so the multiplication is negative. So a minus b minus ab by 100. If both are minus, in that case minus, here also minus, and here in the multiplication minus minus plus ab by 100. Okay, no need to remember the formula, you just remember the sign and multiplication rule. So if you like this video, then share with your friend and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.